makeup's coming off. Oh, we have to be quiet. Cause the boss is sleeping. I'm on guard duty. So, and this flashlight has nothing in it. Oh, Cuddy McStab left some bread. Endage. I don't know what the end of the bread's called. It's got stuff on it. Let's see if she wants to eat it. Anywho, I'm now looking for some Moonstar. She's sleeping. Joe's making bread. Nobody will notice. Oh, shit. Profanity. I wonder if she's up. Let's find out. Balls? Yeah, she's asleep. What do you people want? We were just checking up on you, boss. Boss can't see because she's blind without her glasses.
What is it, you two? What did you want?
Moonstar?
No, you're not allowed to have that. No. What did you do?
It was gravity! It was gravity!
Get over here. Right now.